Italian Brain Rot Quiz Part 1. If you get all of them right, you are an Italian brain rot master. Question 1. Who is this? If you said, trallallero trallalla, then you're correct. On to question 2. Who is this Italian meme? If you said, trippi troppi, troppa trippa, then you're absolutely spank-diddly-umptiously right. On to question 3, the last question of the easy level. Who is this? If you said, tung 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 sahur, then you're correct. Yippee! On to the medium level. Question 4. Who is this? If you said, scimpanzini bananini, then you're correct. On to question 5. Who is thy? If you said, bombardiro crocodilo, then you're correct. On to question 6, the last question of the medium level. Who is this? If you said, ballerina cappuccina, then you're correct. Moving on to the hard section. It's getting hard now. Question 7. Who is this Italian meme? If you said, bombombini gusini, then you're correct. On to question 8. Who is this? If you said, la vacca Saturno Saturnita, then you're so right. On to the last and hardest question of them all. If you get this right, you are the king of Italian brain rot. Wait, forget that. I'm the king. Anyways, who is this? The answer is Boneca Ambalabu.